And you're all that light that all us alone together. Something just not right. But girl, you know that I won't never ever let another touch come between the two of us. 'Cause no one else will never take your place. No one else I'm close to you. No one makes me feel the way you do. You're my special girl. To me, you'll always be eternally. Every time I hold you near, you always say the word I love to hear.